Hi, good afternoon, and my name is Mohammad Rasool. I'm coming from PYRO Group. Okay, I'm the HR of PYRO, and today I have came for Teks Academy. Okay, for placement. We are having requirement into Java development for 10 requirements, and out of that, around 100 plus students have approached and they have done their interviews. Okay, and thanks in advance, and I appreciate the management as well as the students. I got the good response from the students as well as the management. Okay, I suggest for Teks Academy for IT growth and all those things.